30 superfoods for women to boost fertility. Hi, I'm Tina, and today our video is on 30 superfoods that can help boost a woman's fertility. Fertility is an important aspect of a woman's health and is crucial to make sure that our bodies are getting the right nutrients to support a reproductive system. In this video, we will be discussing 30 different superfoods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients that can support fertility and overall health. Let's begin. Berries are high in antioxidants and vitamins that support overall health. Leafy greens are rich in folate and iron and important for reproductive health. Nuts and seeds are a good source of healthy fats and protein. Whole grains contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support fertility. Fish contains omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, important for egg and sperm health. Avocados are high in healthy fats and folate, which support fertility. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Legumes are a good source of protein and iron, important for reproductive health. Eggs contain choline, which is important for egg health. Olive oil is rich in fats and antioxidants. Beets and garlic contains antioxidants and also has anti-inflammatory properties as well. Papaya contains enzymes that support reproductive health. Quinoa contains all essential amino acids and is a good source of iron. Asparagus is rich in folate and antioxidants. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of zinc and healthy fats. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Fermented foods contain probiotics that support reproductive health. Green tea contains antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Coconut oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. Spinach is rich in folate and iron, and carrots are a good source of beta-carotene, which is converted also to vitamin A in the body. Parsley is rich in vitamin C, folate, and iron. Almonds contain healthy fats and vitamin E. Chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, and when added to a bowl of yogurt and fresh berries, they can be a great boost to your system. Flaxseed is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids and lignans. Beet greens are rich in folate and iron. Broccoli is a good source of vitamin C and folate. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and folate. Pomegranate and turmeric contain antioxidants and both have anti-inflammatory properties. It is important to note that while these foods can support fertility, they are not a guarantee of fertility, and factors like overall health and genetics play a bigger role. Consult with your doctor before making any drastic changes to your diet. See in the description for 10 fertility boosting recipes that give you a start on incorporating these foods into your diet. Also, check out our next video on the 10 key essential things to do along with a balanced diet to optimize your fertility. Thank you for watching. We hope that this information has been helpful. Please be sure to like and subscribe for many more videos.